Wait! Don't scroll. This carrot is about to become the softest cake ever. Yep, this little guy isn't just for salads. Today, we're turning him into magic. First, peel and grate 2 cups of fresh carrots. Look at that bright orange goodness. In a big bowl, add 1½ cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now crack in 2 eggs, pour in ½ cup of oil, and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix everything together until it turns into a smooth, thick orange batter. Pour that beautiful batter into a cake pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. While it bakes, whip up creamy frosting with cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar. Once the cake is golden and cooled, spread that fluffy frosting all over the top. And just like that, from carrot to cake legend. Soft, moist, and absolutely irresistible. Never underestimate simple beginnings. Even a carrot can become something magical. Thank you for watching.